County Prosecutor's Office is deciding if it will seek the death penalty against Adam Dees. Experts explain what circumstances might lead to a capital murder case.
This is KBOI 2 News, first at 4.
The man accused of a triple murder returned before a judge today. Adam Dees, now charged with 3 counts of first-degree murder for the deaths of Ted, Elaine, and Thomas Welp. They were killed last month in their Boise foothills home.
Dees was assigned a public defender during his arraignment. He was not granted bond, so he'll be staying put in jail for the time being. Good afternoon, and thanks for watching KBOI 2 News. First at 4, I'm Brent Hunsaker.
And I'm Natalie Hurst. In the balance, whether the Ada County Prosecutor's Office will seek the death penalty against Dees. Eric Gonzalez talked to local attorneys about how they prepare for a case like this. He's live with our top story.
The Ada County Prosecutor's Office has a couple of months to decide whether they will seek the death penalty. If the answer is yes, they'll have to prove that several requirements are met. A grand jury has indicted Adam Dees on first-degree murder charges, saying he killed 3 members of the Welp family. A public defender has been assigned to represent Dees. Although Scott McKay is not Dees' attorney, he does know what goes into fighting a case like this.
Mr. Dees is entitled to the presumption of innocence. There hasn't been any evidence presented.
McKay says each murder case is different, so there is no one-size-fits-all strategy to defending someone.
I would hire a team of investigators, experts that would assist me in providing an effective defense to my client.
And that can get expensive right away, with attorney fees going anywhere from $150,000 on up to the $1 million range.
Expenses can be staggering.
Meanwhile, the Ada County prosecutor has to prove to a jury there is no reasonable doubt that the defendant committed the crime. And if the prosecutor is seeking the death penalty, they have to show certain factors to charge capital murder.
For instance, the defendant's prior record, the fact that they did a crime for money, the fact that an act was particularly heinous or atrocious.
Leroy says most prosecutors in Idaho won't be quick to go for the death penalty.
Only in the most significant and atrocious cases is a prosecutor likely to allege in any place in Idaho a death penalty case.
Dees' next court appearance is next Thursday. Back to you, Brent.